not too soon to call it love, but I know it's more than just a crush. We're getting closer every day, and when you look at me that way, all I can say is if I open up my heart to you, I just need to know you feel it too. Will you be the one to make my dreams come true? If I open up my heart to you, I get a feeling this could be something I thought I'd never see. You're on my mind, night after night. Something keeps telling me it's alright, so give me a sign. So if I open up my heart to you, I just need to know you feel it too. Will you be the one to make my dreams come true? If I open up my heart to you, you could be everything that I have needed, but I can take that chance. Till I know that you're with me, till I know what you're feeling, till I know just where you stand. Till I know where you stand. Will you be the one to make my dreams come true? If I open up my heart to you. Will you be the one that'll help me get through? If I open up my heart to you.